Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Poetic Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Poetic Revolution case for the Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me for a review. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick it up from Amazon. I did review the Spartan case yesterday, so I wanted to review this one today so that way we can compare them and see which one does a better job. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Also, how strong is the magnet with the Magsafe? How good is the kickstand on this case? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit? Does it add bulk to your phone? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Nice presentation from them. Again, follow them on their social media websites if you're not doing so already. Bam. So it has adhesive strips replacement just like the other case. And it has the built-in screen protector. Again, what you want to do is take off your screen protector that you have on your phone. So it does have Magsafe, and I said a kickstand, right? But watch, the whole thing is a kickstand. So the whole back is a kickstand. And I love the grip they have on there. I love the grip on the hinge protection too. Bam. So what you want to do is put this bad boy on here. Make sure it snaps in place. You can even put the adhesive strip down there. Then you put this bad boy in there. Y'all heard that snap though. I know y'all heard it. Bam. So camera protection, yes. You have lip protection because you have the built-in screen protector. But if you took that off, which you could do with a blow dryer, a hair blow dryer, you could definitely take this off if you wanted to. And you still would have lip protection. The Vine rockers, the power button is easy to get to. The Vine rockers are easy to get to. Bam. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up at the top. I love the grip that you get with this case. You have grip everywhere. When you open it up, it does cover some of your display. It does. I mean, I don't find that a big deal, but some people do. Does it add bulk? Yes, it adds some bulk to your phone. I mean, just the hinge protection alone adds some bulk. Is it like overwhelming? No. But it does add some bulk to it. It feels good though. I like the grip. I'm all about the grip. And when you open it up, and you keep on opening it up, you don't have no movement of the case. And then y'all heard a snap in there. So it snaps in there really good too. Bam. Now, how can you use this kickstand? Can I use it like this? So you can use it like that. You probably can use it like this too. Just depending on how angle you want it at. I mean, even if you want it straight up like that, you could. I mean, I don't know how you would watch stuff like that, but you could. And then horizontal too. If you want to watch videos like this, you can watch it that way too. Bam. Let's see if you can wireless charge.
Want to travel further with a new car? Let's go.
No. I don't travel nowhere. Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can see up there. And then the magnet, that is pretty strong. That magnet is on there. Let's see. Again, I do these for the video, but how many times are you really going to do this with your phone? The only thing too, like I said, the kickstand will come up, but again, you're not going to sit there and shake your phone like this. The magnet is strong. The magnet is really strong on there too, so no problem with the magnet, man. Bam, so this is a different type of case. I've never seen a kickstand like that before. You have the hinge protection, so this checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of different reasons and cases that people have been looking for. The power button's easy to get to. The vine rockers are nice and easy. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. You get camera protection. You get lip protection even if you take off the built-in screen protector. You have a lot of grip. It comes with the hinge protection there for everyone. It has a kickstand. The Magsafe is strong on there. The only thing I would say, it does add some bulk and weight to your phone, but if you want the protection, then this might be something that you need. If you are outdoors a lot, this might be the case instead of like a Binks or something, or a later case. So it's up to you. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.